A machine so powerful that it will probably knock our socks off. The 2022 BMW S1000RR. Boasting a 999cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke inline-4 engine, producing 207 horsepower at 13,500 RPM and 113 Nm of torque at 11,000 RPM through a 6-speed bi-directional quick-shifter-enabled gearbox and a chain final drive. The 2022 BMW S1000RR comes equipped with BMW Shift Cam technology. It constantly adjusts valve timing and valve lift of all 16 titanium valves, ensuring best performance. Power is through a ride-by-wire throttle, and wheel slip is managed by BMW's dynamic traction control. The BMW S1000RR isn't a machine to be taken lightly. Fuel is delivered from its 16.5-litre tank through an EFI. A claimed fuel consumption figure of 15.6 km per litre potentially gives you a range of 195 km before you hit its 4-litre reserve capacity. We found real-world consumption with mixed and quite a bit of spirited riding to be 12.5 km per litre. Your mileage may vary, especially on the track. This 2022 BMW S1000RR rolls along a 17-inch carbon front rim wrapped by a Mazzella Racetech RR tyre and also a 17-inch carbon rear rim wrapped by a Mazzella Racetech tyre. Stopping the 2022 BMW S1000RR are dual 320mm floating rotors clamped by dual 4-piston fixed calipers in the front and a single 220mm rotor clamped by a single piston floating caliper in the rear. The brakes are supported by BMW's Motorrad ABS and optional ABS Pro. Managing the contact patch on the road is a semi-electric, fully adjustable upside-down front fork and a semi-electric, fully adjustable mono-rear shock. Damping adjustment can only be made in the Race Pro mode through BMW's multi-controller interface. Offering a view into the 2022 BMW S1000RR sole is a full-color 6.5-inch TFT screen. The standard options comes with 4 riding modes: Rain, Road, Dynamic, and Race. An optional Pro riding package unlocks more options like customizable riding modes, wheelie control, launch control, and dynamic brake control, to name a few. Check with your local distributors if these are legal where you live. A full LED lighting package comes as standard: an LED headlight, an LED tail light, and LED signal lights. Regular servicing is every 6,000 kilometers with 4 liters of engine oil and an oil filter replacement. Major servicing with a valve clearance inspection is every 18,000 kilometers. Amos is 1.84 meters tall, with a seat height of 824 millimeters and a curb weight of about 210 kilos, depending on options. Let us show you how he looks on the bike. He's got a forward, aggressive posture. With Mark coming in as a pillion, he felt that it was spacious enough, but the pillion seat, tiny. At a combined weight of 170 kilos, the semi-electric, fully adjustable mono-rear shock held up. Very okay! Pillions, don't expect someone riding the 2022 BMW S1000RR to be ever willing to give you a ride. It kinda does one in for the family jewels.
I'm so hot!
With a height of 1.69 meters, Shami, our guest from 333's Motorcyclist Telegram group, wants to show you how he looks on the bike. Thank you, Shami. The turning radius of the bike is wide for its class. If you appreciate the videos we produce, consider supporting Triple Tree by getting some swag at our merchant stores. In our opinion, the 2022 BMW S1000RR is a bloody devil and she behaved as expected. The ride was tight, precise and balanced. Power delivery was elastic, instant for the most part, a little on that in a bit. And the exhaust, whew, let's have a listen. Shock, right? The brakes had excellent feel and were bitey, just the way we like it. The shocks on the 2022 BMW S1000RR, although firm, had more than enough give for a comfortable ride. Once you get over the aggressive posture, of course. We felt the electronics get in the way of the throttle in lower RPM, but it quickly felt instant and extremely responsive up the rev range. Did we say she's a bloody devil? She's made for the serious racer. The BMW S1000RR is classed as a superbike, and a superbike she is. Being nitpicky, we felt that the 2022 BMW S1000RR could have been keyless. And we noticed some hit at stop-go city riding and some hit linger on the highway. But radiator fans were angled away from the rider and we didn't notice any direct hit on our legs. Still okay. The rider seat felt firm and provided excellent support on hard pulls. Very okay. The quick shifter was definitely the star of the show. It was instant, smooth and downright amazing at any RPM. Super okay! Overall, the 2022 BMW S1000RR is a machine that demands respect, on the road or on the track. She's nowhere made for the newer rider and experienced riders should hit caution, especially at high speeds. We got the 2022 BMW S1000RR from BMW Singapore, but as with all our reviews, they do not have control over our content, allowing us to bring you true and unbiased opinions. With that, I'm Winston and see you on the road.